Elan's birthday, and Clay likes it too. What do Clay bees think about? Why me? Flowers and rainbows and airplanes and ladybugs and persimmons and persimmons. Perhaps not persimmons. The end. Hello, I'm Teresa, and I was adopted by David and Elan last year because I like them. And I've been staying here with them for a while in Japan.